Hello everyone and welcome back to Retroactivemart. Today we are going to do a unboxing video on 1, 2, 3 cool items. I was out with my kids today. We went to the mall for a while and stopped at Dollarama, and they had all kinds of cool things that I figured would be cool to do for an unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing on my channel for a while, so we're going to do some cool retro themed unboxing stuff today. So let's take a look at what we got here. Here is this one, Micro Toy Box Series number 2 with 5 toys inside, 55 to collect. And the reason why I got this one was because, as you can see right there, there's a Mad Ball, a mini Mad Ball in there, Oculus Orbis. So that was so cool that he's in there. So that's why I got this one, because of that Mad Ball. And then we're gonna do one of these Ninja Turtles, Nanopods, Collect and Connect. I opened up one of these once before already. This is my second one. That's from Dollarama, and my first one that I got was Casey Jones. So that's what they look like. Hopefully I won't get a repeat. I'll put him off to the side. And then finally I picked up one of these action figures, Sonic the Hedgehog, Sonic Prime. All of you know that Sonic Prime is on Netflix right now. So we're gonna try our luck at one of these figures. And there's all the figures on the back. The rare ones are at the bottom there. So there you have it. Those 3 things we're opening up today. So let's start on
now,
Sonic.
Here we go.
Put you down right there and we'll get started here. And it feels really heavy. So I might have one of the bigger figures. Maybe I have the rare one there, or this one with the big hammer. Let's see. Again, it's Sonic Prime blind bags. One pack action figure inside. So let's see. I believe this is the first series of them that Dollarama had. They were $4.50 at the Canadian Dollaramas. So let's see what's in here. Oh, there's the inside, guys. What do we have? Let's pull it out, find out. Whoa, look at that. That's really cool. We have Knuckles. He is really cool. Like bends and everything. This is like a real action figure on a base. Does the base come off? No, I don't think so. He is super cool. So cool. Yeah, he's a neat guy. Let's see what here is the checklist. We'll see what the checklist says. Sonic Prime. Oh, there you go. It's a big, wide, long checklist. There you have it. So cool. So we got this guy right there. So cool. And there's all the other ones, the 2 rare ones. So we didn't get Sonic, but we got Knuckles. It's pretty cool. I like how it is an actual action figure. It bends and you can pose them the way you want it. He's really neat. So there we go. Knuckles. Right on. Like I said, I really like the look of this guy, and it's very well made. Nice heavy figure. that's bendable at the waist. He's a cool guy. There we go. Knuckles. Good find. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Nanopods. The TMNT turtles. Ninja Turtles and Nanopods. As I said earlier, I got this one before. The Casey Jones. They're actually really cool little detailed figures that they connect together. So we'll see which one I get here, and we'll connect them together with that one. Gotta break the seal here. Oh man, there we go, got it. All right, let's open it up and see. There's 12 to collect. So there it is. There's the green capsule. Let's pull it out. Oh man. Okay, let's turn it over in 1, 2, 3. Whoa! And it is Rocksteady. That is really cool. Rocksteady. Woohoo. Here's the checklist. There they are. April O'Neil, Splinter, Leonardo, Donatello, Raphael, Michelangelo, and metallic Leonardo would be cool. And on the other side, look at that guy, Mikey eating pizza, Cartwheel Leo. There's the Casey Jones that I have, Bebop, and now Rocksteady that I have, and Shredder. So that is really cool. Now let's see how these connect. You just slide them in like that, I guess. And there you go. But we'll take them apart. We'll put them on top of each other. Like that. There. There you go. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. So, that one. And now, on to the big one. The micro toy box. I don't know which company put these out. Let's see, what does that say? Super Impulse. Company called Super Impulse, I guess. And this is Micro Toy Box Series 2. Let's see. I hope I get a Hot Wheels car. That would be cool. But like I said, there's the Mad Ball in there. So without further ado, let's open it up and see what the Mad Ball looks like at least. Whoa, look at that, guys. Here he is. He is really cool. Just like a full-size Mad Ball, the Oculus Orbis figure, little toy. So cool. I really like that. Very detailed as well, for being a very tiny little toy. There's a bounce. A little bit. So let's get some of this out of the way here. We'll put him right there so you guys can see. Let's see what else is in here. Take off the top. Oh, there's a sticker. Comes with a sticker. Toy box. Peppa Pig. That's cool. And then the rest of them are underneath this little plastic packaging, which we don't need. We'll toss it over there. And they come in little baggies. So it says there's 5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And, oh yeah, I guess this guy makes it 5. And then, oh, drop the checklist. Just a minute, guys. Oy. Here's the checklist. Put that there. Here, Micro Toy Box Series 2. Let's see what they all have in here. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, guys, and if you have ever opened up any of these. Let's flip it around. There they all are. Oh, look at all the Mad Balls. You can even get Hornhead, and the Oculus Orbis is the one that we got. And he's marked yellow. What does that mean? Does yellow mean rare? Don't know. Doesn't say. Maybe yellow means rare. I can't make out anywhere if that's what it says. Anyways, yeah, there's that guy we got. Maybe we'll get the other one. That'd be cool. Hornhead. Alright, let's see. We'll open this one up first. Miniature collectibles. Here we go. Let's see. Oh. What is this one? What is it? Oh, that is cool. It is the Game of Life. So cool. I remember playing this game as a kid so much with my siblings and my mom and dad. Such a fun game. That's cool. We'll put them beside Oculus Orbis there. Let's try. That was 1, 2. This is the third one. Oh, there's a tear strip in there. I didn't notice before. Oh, that is a little easier to open that way. Alright. Oh, guys, what's this one? I'm getting excited. What is it? What is it? Oh, we got Slinky Dog from Toy Story. He's really cool. That is cool. Slinky Dog. Set him down there. Here's number 4. See, here's the wrapper, what it says. You each get a little mini blind bag in there, which is cool. Miniature collectibles. Micro Toy Box Series 2. 55 to collect. Alright. Enough talking. Let's open it up. See what it is. Whoa, we got Jenga. Look at that, guys. There's Jenga. That is cool. There's all the bricks, the blocks. Jenga. And put it right there. There's 4 of them. And we got one more. Where is it? Here it is. Oh, feels funny. I don't know. Let's open it up and see. Oh, a Super Soaker. Wow, that is really cool. That is quite cool. There's the Super Soaker. So cool. Oops, dropped it. There you go. So we'll put it right there as well. Let's take a look at the checklists again. Ah, too bad I didn't get any of the Hot Wheels. That would have been cool. What else is on here that would have been cool? Oh, Masters of the Universe figures. Oh, the Sock Monkey. There's some more. Game of Life is the one that we got there. Nerf Ball would have been cool too. Oh, I would have loved to get G.I. Joe's and Power Rangers ones. Wow. But we did get a Super Soaker. So that is cool. Oh, there's the rare ones. There's silver. That Super Soaker is rare, and Simon is rare. And Radio Flyer and limited xylophone. Okay, so there you go. Well, that's what we got, and it was pretty cool, I think. And I think out of all of these, one of my favorites is this Sonic figure. It is so cool. No, it's not going to focus there. No. Oh, there we go. Netflix. So yeah, he's really cool. That's a cool figure. And then again, we got these ones. This one I got before. Today we got Rocksteady. And then all of our mini toys. Jenga. Game of Life. Slinky Dog from Toy Story. Oculus Orbis. Madball. And the Super Soaker. Alright. That's what I have for you today. Did an unboxing. And there we go. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. And everybody remember to stay retro. And thanks for enjoying this with me and opening these up with me. Alright. Okay. Thumbs up. And we'll catch you another one. Okay guys. Bye bye. See ya.